everyone, it's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. We are back for another reaction video for the Idol Philippines Top 5 performance. And this is for Raisy Avila singing Nadarang para sa kanilang finale performance. But before that, guys, of course, hindi tayo nag-iisa for today's video dahil makakasama natin ang nag-iisang karaoke king from Baklang Wow! This is Bryle! Welcome, Bryle!
Hi!
O, diba? Nakasando siya for today's video, guys. True. So, ngayon, magre-react kami ni Bryle para sa performance ni Raisy Avila. So, tingnan natin kung ano ba ang kanya naging performance for Nadarang. But before I proceed, guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more reaction videos. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Here it is, guys. Woo, Raisy Avila Nadarang. Grabe, gagamitin niya yung forte niya.
In fairness, gusto ko yung top.
Ganda na outfit. Diba? Pang millennial.
Oo pa.
Para sa mga marurupok.
Totoo. Ang astig ni Raisy, no?
Pero the ants is there.
Parang yung signature niya sa lahat ng performance niya. Raisy gave us more attitude.
True, iba.
The attitude, diba? Ang asa mo pa, girl!
Oh, hold on, guys. Grabe, no? Raisy is giving us what she is good at.
Oo, correct.
Diba? Parang, ito yung forte ko, I'm good at rapping. Diba? Iba
actually, very clear yung pag-rap niya. Unlike doon sa mga other artists na gustong mag-rap, para may tawid lang. Sa kanya, rinig mo yung every single word.
Oo, saka parang ito yung natural forte niya kasi.
Correct,
diba?
oo.
Pero panlaban ba para sa'yo? Kasi di ba ang theme nila is, this will be your panlaban moment.
Kumbaga parang this is your moment na kanta.
Naibigay ba ni Raisy
sa ngayon,
panlaban?
Sa ngayon ha, itong performance na in-stop natin, medyo okay pa sa akin. Pero gusto ko pa ng more. Yung kumbaga parang wow!
Bibigyan niya ba ng different
yung
taste?
Oo, saka yung kumbaga parang makikilabutan ba yung mga chenis mo dyan? Yung parang,
so yan ang aabangan natin. Let's continue. Grabe, galing.
Ang ganda, diba? Naririnig nyo lahat ng words.
Ooh, the stage is on fire!
Correct. Pero hindi ko masyadong bet yung pa-jacket. Diba pula?
Pero tinera niya sa boots.
Oo, parang lakas makamantel ng mga karinderya. Charing lang.
Pero iba yung rap.
Maganda yung rap, but at the same time, hindi pa siya nagla-level up for me. Hindi pa. Girl, itaas mo pati.
Parang clock 9 lang, diba?
Oo. Magaling siya sa rap, in fairness naman talaga. Nam niya every words.
Hold on. Diba, ang bilis niya. Clock 9 left the group.
At hindi siya nagkakamali sa every words na ibabato niya dun sa rap. That's a good thing for her na nag-take risk siya na ibigay yung parang last shot niya for this performance.
Oo, kasi finale.
Oo, however, like what I've said, diba, we want more. Kasi ito na yung final eh. Kumbaga parang ito na yung magbibigay sa iyo ng way if you're going to be in top 3 or not. Kasi kumbaga parang sa akin, somehow it is very good for you to take risk and then ito na yung last bala mo. But at the same time, you need to think of na parang, may 4 taong kalaban. Do you think, do I think na ito ba yung ipanglalaban ko at matatalo ko
Pero
sila.
sa tingin mo, this kind of performance deserve to be in the top?
Parang sa akin, hindi ko pa kasi nakikita yung iba eh. Parang si Kimo pa lang nakikita ko. At sa ngayon pa lang for Kimo pa din ako.
So parang mas deserve ni Kimo, 'di ba? Based on
the performance. Yes.
Pero
kasi may choice sila kung anong gusto nilang i-perform na music or kanta. So, ito yung pinili niya. So, ako, for the meantime.
Parang, does it feel na parang pa-contest ba to?
Parang hindi.
Oo,
Actually, parang hindi. Parang siyang as a performance.
Oo, parang
ganon.
intermission. Parang special performance ang dating.
Oo.
For me guys, just to be honest, it's not to bash Ricey. We know Ricey's capability, but in terms of finale,
parang pag kasi finale, 'di ba? Pag mag-iisip ka ng bang, 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 yung parang hindi na sila hihinga. Yung kumbaga, ay shoot ang ina, si Bakla ang galing, parang ganun. Parang eto kasi you are impressed the way she raps. The way you are impressed the way she
parang yun yung pagkanyang yung versatility.
Oo.
Diba? Sino-showcase niya na ito, dito ako magaling.
Correct.
Pero, does it deserve to be in the top 3? So, nasa kalahati
let's wait.
tayo, diba?
Huwag tayo mag-judge, mga bakla.
Let's continue.
Girl, magwala ka, girl!
True. Malay mo naman pag-uwi niya yung Jamaica.
Parang, sige pa.
Sorry.
Yun! Bakla yun!
Switching, no?
Oo, galing. Si Regine, nag-aantay pa. Di ba si Regine?
Parang,
bakla! Ilabas mo pa yan, girl!
ay, maganda yun.
In fairness, maganda yun, girl!
Hold on, bago natin i-push to that, iba.
Actually, yung switch ng notes at saka yung parang yung ginawa niya dun sa kanta, parang style of of Ricey na hindi natin inaasahan, but I'm really impressed in fairness
pero
naman.
she's giving the Ricey
vibes, correct.
Diba? Let's go back a little to that part.
Tingnan nga natin ulit.
Parang this is my style and this is how I will roll this finale.
Parang lahat kayo mababaliw na dito sa party na to.
True. Let's continue to that part. Diba? Giving her own style.
In fairness talaga! In fairness talaga! Kay bakla!
There you have it, guys. That is Ricey Avila for a top 5 performance for Idol Philippines. So, Brian, do you think it's top 3 worthy kind of performance?
If I'm going to consider her performance to other top 4 finalists, siguro magdadalawang isip ako. But hindi yung buo yung sarili ko or yung decision ko na she will enter the top 3. Kung baga parang 100%, okay, based on her performance, secured yung spot ni Ricey for top 3. But, alam mo yon, hindi naman kasi hawak ng judges ngayon as for today's video. Kasi nga, kailangan ng voting and for judges, yung scoring. May tendency kasi si Ricey kasi, she is one of the top na nagkakaroon ng malaki talaga ang voting. But when it comes to the performance, I think she is ready to step into the ASAP stage. But for this performance, I'm not that sure. 50-50. Magaling talaga siya. We cannot say na hindi siya magaling. Yung paglaro niya. Yung paglalaro
niya. Diba yung style and the way she delivers things.
She is ready for that. But for this performance, I don't think na makakapasok siya for top 3. As of the moment.
Pero diba kasi parang Ricey proved herself when it comes to versatility. So, regardless if she will be in the top 3 or not, like this one, for me, just an honest feedback. Hindi siya pang contest eh.
Totoo.
Diba? Hindi siya
pang guesting. Guesting.
Production yung ginawa niya. So,
correct.
It's not really something that we look forward to when it comes to finale.
Finale, yes.
Diba?
Correct. Kung baka parang pag finale kasi, boom, 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 yung gano'n.
Dapat masabo.
Correct. But we really don't know the generations nowadays. Kasi like for example, during our days, like Sarah Geronimo, Rachel Ango, diba? Biritan. But kasi hindi rin natin masasabi ngayon yung generation na ito, ganito na pala. But when it comes to, as we are reacting to her performance, of course, para sa akin, 50-50 pa din siya. So, hindi siya yung parang sasabihin mo na, okay, kabog. So, parang sure ka na may...
Hindi siya pang finale.
O, parang naghahanap pa. Kumbaga, parang sa buffet, konti lang yung nakain ko and then naghahanap pa ako ng putahe na hindi nakalagay dun sa buffet.
True. So, yun na nga guys. So, of course, still congratulations to Ricey if she will make it to the top 3. But then, I think she should still give something more. Diba?
Correct.
Oo. So, tingnan natin sa kanyang very final performance if she make it to the top 3 of the Idol Philippines. Alright, so that's our reaction for today. If you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, kindly do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John.
My name is Brian.
And this is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now. Oh my God!